All right, y'all, we're gonna make Cowboy French fry casserole. We're gonna start with a whole bag of crinkle cut fries, put them in the bottom of your crock pot, and then dump in 2 pounds of already cooked ground beef. Once you got your beef in there, I'm gonna throw some spicy queso up in there. And if you don't want the spicy, you can just get regular queso, but we're going for spicy since this is a Cowboy recipe. Once you got your cheese in there, we're going to also throw in 1 can of cheddar soup. Scrape that baby out. Once you have your cheddar soup in there, we're going to put half a cup of beef broth over that, as well as a pack of ranch seasoning. We got a whole lot of flavor in this one, folks. And also about a teaspoon or 2 worth of garlic. Once you got your garlic in there, we're going to throw 1 block of cream cheese cut into cubes. And finally, we're going to put 1 cup of cooked bacon pieces up in there. Once you got your bacon pieces in there, go ahead and stir all that around to get them flavors nice and mixed on top of the fries. Alright, and once you stirred those around a little bit, go ahead and put your lid on. We're going to cook this on high for 3 to 4 hours. Alright, y'all, after 3 to 4 hours, go ahead and take your lid off. That is looking good. Go ahead and just give it a stir. Once you get it stirred around a little bit, finally, we're going to throw 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese over the top of that. Just get it evenly spread over the top. Once you get all that in there, we're going to put the lid back on for about 5 to 10 minutes just to let that cheese get melted. Alright, and once you have that cheese nice and melted, it should look a little something like this. Oof, that looks good. What do you think, sweetie?
Yeah.
Thanks. Oh yeah, baby.
Wow.
Dang, look at all that. Yummy. That's how I like my fries, nice and messy, baby. Y'all, that is super good. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I know it looks like a crazy mess. It is super good. Try it at home, folks. Trust me.